What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Just want to show you the Red Berries winter / holiday colors. This one is definitely a favorite for the red. And then we have Zaddy, which is definitely in my top faves. And these lipsticks have jojoba oil, shea butter, vitamin E. Really, really good on the lips. They feel amazing. Grapeseed oil. This one is Cherry Pop. It has more of a translucent finish, but it is still very pigmented. Drip is definitely another fave. It's like a dark purple, again, highly pigmented lipstick. And they just really make your lips look luscious with all of the essential oils that are in it. Lip Envy is the Ultra Shine Glossy Gloss. It really pops. Yes, those are all the colors. Berries, perfect for the holiday. Thank you so much for your support, you all. Happy New Year. Much blessings to you. And take care and God bless.